Hello friends! In this video, we're going to make fruit and berry confit. You can find information about which fruits to use in my instructions. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make mango fruit puree. Then we'll cook mango fruit and berry confit. You can also use any store-bought frozen puree, such as wild berries, mango, or passion fruit puree. So, let's get started. Start by taking a mango, peeling it, and cutting it into cubes. So, we have diced mango. Now, we'll place them in a saucepan, add a little water, bring it to a boil, and then blend it using an immersion blender. This will give us fruit puree. If you're using watery fruits, you can skip adding water. Let's begin. Five minutes have passed, and the mango pieces have become soft. Now we'll blend it with an immersion blender. Turn it off. An important note: if you're using berries or fruits with seeds, such as raspberries, after cooking and blending, you'll need to strain them through a sieve. Alright, our puree is ready. Now let's move on to making the confit. So, we'll measure out 4 grams of pectin. Don't forget to zero the scale. "20 grams of sugar. Combine everything together and mix it well. Our ready puree weighs 150 grams, and we have a mixture of sugar and pectin. Now, let's start cooking. Let's warm up our puree to around 45 degrees Celsius. Next, we'll gradually add the sugar-pectin mixture while stirring. After it boils, let it cook for about a minute. You can see that the puree is boiling and the first bubbles have appeared. So, we'll cook it for 1 minute. Our confit is ready, so we'll turn off the heat. You can add citric acid if desired to make the confit thicker. Now that our confit has cooled, we'll transfer it to a pastry bag. A tall glass makes it very convenient. Insert the bag and transfer the puree. Tie a knot at the end, distributing the puree evenly in the bag. Now you can store it in the freezer or refrigerator until you're ready to use it next time. Today, we've made mango confit. You can also see another assortment of confit that I usually store in the freezer and use as needed. I wanted to show you that I prepare fruit purees separately and store them in airtight zip bags in the freezer. For instance, I have pumpkin, fig, and strawberry purees. These purees can be used for making confit or fruit ganache for macarons. Wishing you success in creating various fillings.